William Somerset Maugham is one of the most popular English language writers of the 20th century. He came from a family of lawyers and was born in Paris in 1874, where he lived until he was 10. Later, he studied in England and attended a university in Germany. Wanting to become a writer, he still followed his uncle's permission to study and became a medical student in London. He spent 6 years studying and was qualified as physician in 1897, but he never practiced. He became a full-time writer and spent first 10 years living and writing in poverty in Paris. Today, Maugham is known worldwide for his novels, short stories, and plays. His works became very popular, and many of them were adapted for radio, cinema, and television, mostly during his lifetime, which is quite impressive. Maugham was a great storyteller and often based his characters on real people. Some recognized themselves in his stories, which led to criticism for his sharp and sometimes cynical portrayals. This also earned him a number of enemies. My favorite book by Maugham is The Painted Veil. The 2006 film adaptation with Edward Norton and Naomi Watts is just amazing. The book we are packing today, of Human Bondage, was written in 1915 and is agreed to be Maugham's masterpiece. It is often described as autobiographical. Like the main character, Philip Carey, Maugham had a physical condition. He had a speech disorder instead of a clubfoot. He also lost his parents at a young age and was raised by his aunt and uncle. He also studied medicine and had the same tastes in literature as Philip Carey. It can be indeed true that Maugham included personal experiences in the novel. The original title of the book was Beauty from Ashes, taken from the book of Isaiah in the Bible. But since the title had already been used, Maugham chose Of Human Bondage. He borrowed it from Spinoza's Ethics, where the fourth part is titled Of Human Bondage, or the Strength of the Emotions. Of Human Bondage was adapted into an American television play in 1949 and made into a drama film 3 times, in 1934, in 1946 by Warner Brothers, and in 1964 by MGM. All movies were released during lifetime of William Somerset Maugham, who died in December of 1965. In age of 91. An incredible book by an incredible writer.